I was sent the Bella Vita luxury perfume set. Look how beautiful that is. What a perfect gift or a gift to yourself. So the honey has honey with vanilla and some floral scent. It's definitely got a nice, sweet, beautiful smell to it. Rosé is supposed to transport you into a flower field, which it definitely does, and also has a little bit of a citrus hint to it as well. With Glam, you're getting jasmine, citrus, and honey. I love jasmine. It smells so good. CEO has this most beautiful, exquisite smell with the bergamot, patchouli, and then some vanilla in there. So I do want to try that one. Let's do that one over here. First time using it, so you got to spray a couple times. Ooh, that's nice. Let's do Glam on the other hand. Oh, Glam is nice. The jasmine really picks up in Glam. So I have Glam over here, CEO woman over here. Ooh, once they get on, it kind of gets even nicer and nicer. Wow, I really love this CEO one. Glam is smelling so beautiful. What a great set. You are going to love this, or if you're gifting it to someone, they are going to love it.